Today we're showing you a 2013 John Deere 1025R tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere H120 quick attach front loader. Also has the AutoConnect belly mower with it. Tractor has just under 300 hours. It is a local tractor. Fella bought the tractor new, used it on his 5 acres for the past 5 years, and now the fella is moving to the city, so he no longer has any need for this little tractor. That's why the tractor is on the market. It's been stored inside. It's been cared for. It's not been abused. It's a clean, good running little tractor. The bucket is quick disconnect. The loader itself also is a quick disconnect loader. Got the front grill guard. The paint is in excellent condition. Has a turf style tires. And again, the belly mower, which is the AutoConnect drive over belly mower, goes with the machine. Got the loader control right here within easy reach. Also your 3-point and belly mower up down control right here beside the seat. It's a really nice full suspension seat with armrests. It's a very comfortable seat. Also has the tilt steering wheel, hand throttle, and PTO engagement right there on the dash. Toolbox back here, it does have the foldable rollover bar, 3-point hitch, 540 PTO. It's got the little drawbar hookup down there. Fuel gauge right here in the tank. Extra side work lights here. 54-inch belly mower. And again, just under 300 hours. Very, very clean little unit. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.